Squarespace just released portfolio draft status. And I can't believe that this is even like a news flash, because realistically, we should have had this years and years and years ago. But they've released it. We can finally house portfolio items in that draft state without having to publish them and edit them live. So I'll show you how to do it now and where it all lives. Okay, so you join me here on the portfolio. We've got some items in here. And basically, what used to happen is you'd click plus, you would add in your portfolio item, and then you wouldn't have any of this. It would just immediately be published, which to me was always really weird, because it was like, well, you've got this functionality for blogs. Why don't you have it for portfolios? And it's only taken them, well, 10 years to do it. But anyway, I digress. So let's imagine you want to add a new item in. So we'll do it again. We'll say plus, and we will add in, let's just do a blank project. Doesn't really matter. Now, we go into status, and you can see that we can keep it in draft, need review, published or scheduled. So same as a blog, basically. So we'll say, okay, we'll save this, and then we go into edit, and we can start to edit or add to our portfolio item. So we'll just pop a hero section in, and, we'll pop, let's say, just an about section. Okay, and we'll say roughly happy. I mean, it looks terrible, but for the purposes of this video, I'm happy. So I can say publish, or I can just save it. So for now, I'm just going to save it. And then we go into work, and you can see our item hasn't been published. I mean, it's groundbreaking stuff, but super important. So, use case, let's say you are a real estate agent, and these are listings that you have, but you're not ready to publish it yet. You can house the item in draft, or you can schedule it. Let's say it's going onto market in a week's time. You can say, okay, schedule, week's time, save, and it's good to go. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.